What's going on, y'all? This is Czar. I want to show you two very popular Waves plugins based off two very famous compressors. That's the CLA-2A and the CLA-76. So let's listen, and I'm going to show you how I use these compressors to enhance vocals and show you why I use each one in different situations. I'm going to play the vocal dry, and then we'll add the CLA-2A and see what we can do to it. Okay, so as you can hear, that vocal is moving in and out a little bit. I want to use the CLA-2A to bring the vocal closer and to bring up those low parts. I'm happy with the character of it, so I don't want to add any more character to it. I just want to enhance it, bring it closer, and bring up the low parts. So let's engage the CLA-2A and hear what we got. Okay, so as you can hear, the vocal's not moving in and out anymore. Let's listen to it one more time with the track. So as you can hear, the CLA-76 added more character to it, brought it more in your face, and the fast attack time really helped tame those fast transients in that vocal. So just to recap, the CLA-2A sound great. All right, catch y'all next time.